everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 6 power 6 by 6 power 6 plus 6 power 4 is equals to what? So let's start with the today's video solution. So in numerator 6 power 6, I can write it as 6 power 4 plus 2. Similarly, this as 6 power 4 plus 2 plus 6 power 4. Now exponent rule, x power m plus n, we can write it as x power m times x power n. So 6 power 4 times 6 power 2 by 6 power 4 times 6 power 2 plus 6 power 4. Now 6 power 4 times 6 power 2 by, I can take 6 power 4 as common, so what is left? 6 power 2 plus 1. Now we can cancel out 6 power from numerator and denominator as well. So 6 power 2 by 6 power 2 plus 1. So 6 square is 36 and here 36 plus 1, which is equals to 36 by 37. So our final answer is 36 by 37. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.